Alrighty, boys. Look what we got from Santa. My girlfriend bought them for me for Christmas. We're gonna take them out of the box and install them today. So, hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so that's how it looks, boys. Look at that. Looks killer. Thanks to my girlfriend again for buying them for me for Christmas. I appreciate it. Looks awesome. On the website they say that you can fit 32 and a halves with no lift and then 34 and a halves with a lift. Like, look at that clearance. That's insane. Anyways, we're gonna friggin' take a break and then do the other side. We gotta put the other side on, and then yeah, we'll show you guys the finished product when it's done. Pardon? I was. No, I don't make any money anyways. So that's the floorboards, boys.
Very nice.
There's gonna be lots of mud coming up here, but whatever, we already get caked in mud anyways. These weren't the easiest things to install, but I'm not that handy, so for me I'd give for the installation I'd give 8 out of 10 for anybody could do it, really. It wasn't that bad, right?
No.
It wasn't that bad. She helped me. Some of the spots aren't the best fitment, but it's probably because of my installation. But so yeah, we're gonna take it out and she'll record me there. And we'll see how they feel on the bike. They're definitely skinnier. So I wonder if, like, her being a passenger, what it'll feel like, but we'll see. And they look wicked though. I like the color. The lime green really matches like the rest of the bike. And yeah. Shout out to my girlfriend for buying them for me. And yeah, shout out to Lucky 7 because they look killer, and the build quality is definitely amazing. And I'm curious to see if I don't know if that's powder coated or if the paint is just painted on, but I'm curious to see how the paint holds up to the mud and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna take it out and get a look of it outside.
Oh, okay. Look at those floorboards. Oh yeah. They look so nice.
That was killer, right? I might have to get some bigger tires. That looks a little weird with only 29 and a half. Okay, I'll go rip it around like up there and then come down here.
Okay. Oh no, why did it shut off? What? Why is it black?
You just tap the screen, you'll be able to see it.
Oh. Off he goes. Just look at him go, boys. How you feel?
Good. cut a tree down?
Yeah.
And get some firewood? Okay, boys, we're gonna go cut a tree down and get some firewood. Maybe some tail lights next. I'll buy some of those.